Hello, my stamping friends. This is Renee Novak at blessedbycards.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States, and I'm here today to share with you another Make It Monday tutorial. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 cards that I use creating this inked and tile stamp set. Now, this set is on the last chance list, so it will be retiring at the end of April. So if you would like to add this to your list, hop on over to my blog at blessedbycards.com. Let's get started with the first card. I created this using a pool party card base, and I added a layer of Lost Lagoon, and then I used some of the Inked Botanicals designer series paper that coordinates with this stamp set. Now, that is in the annual catalog, and again, both those will be retiring at the end of April. Now, all of the measurements, all the supplies, all of the picture tutorial will be available in a project sheet. You can download that for free on my blog at blessedbycards.com. So then I used that designer series paper and added it to the panel of Lost Lagoon. And then for the front focal point, I used the Nestled Essential dies, and I cropped one using the Lost Lagoon cardstock. And then I used the flower from the inked and tiled, and I stamped it first in the Lost Lagoon, and then I stamped it off for that second generation to get a little lighter look. And so for my tag, all I did was I took some Lost Lagoon ink, I took a little strip of white, and then this stamp set is actually from the Ice Cream Swirl, and I just stamped it to the left of my little strip here. And I just stamped that straight down. And then I took a paper snip, and this is how you get that little banner look on your card. And you just snip up in the center, and then you go at an angle on both sides so that you get that banner look. Isn't that sweet? So that's how simple that is with just a paper snips and your greeting. Then you can add your bling as desired, and you've got a fun looking greeting that has a custom made banner. Okay, so for our second card I created is kind of a fun fold card. So this card is just a regular half sheet of cardstock that's scored in half, and then I scored this front panel in half again, which is at 2 1/8. And then what you want to do is you want to fold that backwards on top of it to get you that fun fold that kind of opens and closes like this. And then I just took a couple strips of designer series paper and added it to those panels, the first panel here and the second panel. And then on the inside is a piece of white that I stamped crushed curry flowers, and then I used the Lost Lagoon leaves. Added a little bling on the inside to complement that of the outside. The greeting is stamped, and I used the banners in that Nested Essential Dies kit. So the only thing you really have to be aware of for your fun fold is that when you go to put this panel on, you want to make sure that you only put glue on one side. Otherwise, your card's going to stick down and not open. So just be mindful of that, to put glue on the left portion of your card and then put it down on there so that it opens freely. So that's the only real trick to that one. And then the last card that I created, I used that kind of stripy accent from this set, and I thought, well, how can I use that? So I kind of made this little cheesecloth looking background by stamping it straight and at an angle in Memento black ink. So I added a layer of black on the left and then a little bit of that design. You can see it there. And then I did another panel of white with Memento black ink, and then the leaves are in soft sea foam. And I took that sweet thanks again from the Ice Cream Swirl, and this time I did not banner it, but I just stuck it straight on there. You can use Stampin' Dimensionals on either or both of those greetings if you want, but I just glued them straight down. So, and that is pretty much the third card. So maybe you'll come up with a fun way to use that other stamp in there. But for right now, we have a fun background, a fun fold, and another simple card for our Make It Monday today. And that's all I have, folks. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hop on over to my blog at blessedbycards.com if you want to add this set or any other of the sets that are on the retired list. And you can download your free project sheet while you are there. So again, thanks for watching. And until next time, be blessed.